Thank you. Yes, sir, I'm not asking, I mean, at least I didn't think I was asking you to do the impossible. Can I hit this again? My questions were, for example, number one on that States Exhibit 191, did you measure it? Did you measure it from a reference point? Did you describe it? Did you?
Actually, when I do my comparisons and look at individual characteristics, I do a measurement of sorts from one area on the tire to that individual characteristic, and then use that same approximate measurement. It's not a number measurement, but it's, if you, like the old-fashioned compasses with a pencil on one side and a pointer on the other, you can kind of take it. We have dividers like that, and I can take it and with the dividers go from one area to the other area to see if they are in the same approximately position from what's on the tire to what's on the cast.
And you keep referencing, well, okay, let me back up. So can you describe that process with number one?
Yeah, I could go to the TV and kind of describe how.
I'm not saying describe the
generality,
process.
I can.
Okay, but you can't give us specific descriptions of measurements of those individual characteristics.
Of number measurements, no.
Thank you. And then you keep referencing the phrase ground truth, and that your scientific field of study cannot have a known error rate because the ground truth is unknown. Do I have that right?
That's correct.
Okay, so you don't know if that tire made that cast, made that impression.
My expert opinion is that tire made that cast, or that impression.
But your point is you don't know, so we can't know if I'm ever wrong?
When it comes into the laboratory, it's unknown.
No, I'm saying, is that what you mean when you keep using the phrase ground truth?
No, ground truth is that somebody knows what that is. Is it an identification? Is it an elimination? The ground truth is there. I'm just using my expert opinion to say that one way or the other. So unlike a test where somebody has prepared the test and knows the answers to the test, then you can get a error rate from that test.
Right, I get that.
Study.
And what I'm saying is you don't know that that tire made that impression.
When it comes into the lab, no.
No, I'm not saying when it comes into the lab. Right, you don't have a known error rate because you don't know that that tire made that impression.
Sustained.
Nothing further, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. You may step down.
May I be finally excused?
May be finally excused?
Yeah.
All right, thank you.